to finally believe in.
Change ain't good. Remember that, Leon.
I will. They're about to come face to face.
Leon the Professional 1994. Directed by Luc Besson. Leon the Professional is a French action drama film. It tells the story of a hitman and a young girl. Leon is a quiet man who lives in New York City. He lives alone, drinks milk, and takes care of his plants.
In the art of the kill, Leon was the master.
Somebody's coming up. Somebody's serious.
He never missed a hit. He never got caught.
He works is a professional killer. One day, his neighbor Matilda knocks on his door. Her family is murdered by corrupt DEA agents. Their leader is Norman Stansfield. Leon sons Matilda by letting her in. Matilda finds out that Leon is a cleaner. She wants him to teach her how to kill. She wants revenge for her little brother. And first, Leon says no. Later, he agrees to train her. They spend time together and grow close. Leon becomes like a father to her. Matilda brings warmth and happiness to his life. But Stansfield finds then a violent fight begins. Leon sacrifices himself to save Matilda. He proves that even a killer can have love and kindness.
DEA officers.
3 kids here. One of them is missing. Find her.
Please open the door. Please.
From the director of La Femme Nikita.
Main characters: Leon, a quiet and kind hitman. He follows strict rules and hides his emotion. Matilda, a brave 12 years old girl. He is smart and strong, but also hurt by her loss. Norman, a corrupt DEA agent. He is cruel, unstable, and addicted to drugs. Leon the Professional is not just an action film. It's a story about love, trust, and sacrifice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more movie stories.